Okay, we're going to be getting into our first guest. We're really excited to kick things off here. I don't know if we have any Sesame Street fans out there, but yeah, I heard something. We have a special guest who will introduce our first speaker, so I will turn it over to them.
Hello, Cookie Monster here. Me so excited to be at ASU+GSV. Wait a minute, that not sound right. Wait, isn't it supposed to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G? Yeah, that sound right. Okay, maybe we could fix that. Okay, terrific. Well, me here to introduce me friend, me buddy, me pal, Steve, who's going to tell you, lots of important things, perhaps. And me going to help myself to some refreshments. Nummy. Okay, take it away, Steve. Cookies, here we come.
So, thank you, Cookie Monster, and hello to everybody. I'm Steve Youngwood. I am the CEO of Sesame Workshop. And I realize many of you were probably surprised, why is Cookie Monster here, let alone why am I here? Well, at Sesame, we are focused on the youngest learners and their families. And having us here points to a fundamental truth about education, that what we do for our kids in the beginning matters for the rest of their lives. Kids who get a quality early childhood education are better prepared for success in school and beyond. They are more likely to graduate from high school and attend college, and they even earn higher salaries as adults. So what we do at the workshop has a domino effect on what all of you are doing. And given the challenges our kids face today, the work we are all doing is more urgent than ever. Looking around this room, I'm feeling optimistic because we are at a summit of leaders. Leaders who are made for the moment, leaders who, like Sesame, use the power of media and technology to engage and educate kids wherever they are. Leaders who are willing to take on the most important issues and are committed to having impact at scale. So over the next few days, I hope you enjoy. I hope you learn from each other. And I even hope you find time to come to the early childhood track, aptly named the Tip of the Spear, which starts tomorrow at 11 a.m., where you're going to see some exciting developments happening in this space. And I hope you all join us, the workshop, in this work so we can not only meet the moment for our kids, but the next moment and the moment after that, and together help create a better future for all. And with that, thank you and welcome to the conference.